Hi guys, today what I'm going to be showing you is how to build your own budget PC for under £500 and it can still play the latest games of 2014 on high and ultra settings. So here we go. You want to use eBuy, it's the best for everything. First of all, you need a power supply. You need a power supply no matter what. So we're going to go with a Corsair GSM 750 watt semi-modular 80 plus gold power supply. 80 plus gold, so it's more efficient on electricity. It won't use as much electricity as a £30 750 watt non-branded power supply. Because this is a branded power supply, it's better. Obviously all branded stuff's better. But yeah, that is the power supply. It's modular, so you only need to plug in the wires you need. You only need to plug the wires into the power supply you need. Obviously, next is the motherboard. We're going to be going with an Asus motherboard. It's got 4 RAM slots, some FM2, I think it's an FM2 CPU that we put in there, 2 graphics card slots and 2 PCIe slots. It's a 8-pin power connector. Yeah, the motherboard's a Asus F2 A85M Pro, and it has got quite a few sockets on the motherboard. You've got bloody HDMI, 4 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, VGA, I can't remember what it's called, I do not have a clue what that is, that red one, and all your audios and microphone ins and outs and all that on this motherboard. It's a very cheap price of £50, which is very good. The third thing you're going to need, obviously, is an FM2. Make sure that you check the socket that's on the motherboard, because if you get a wrong CPU, it's not going to work on that motherboard and you can break it completely. So the AMD APU A660K, 42GHz. It's got 4MB cache, you see the standard box and all that. It's 4-core, it's quad-core. You can support 866MHz RAM or memory, that's what you call it. It's unlocked, so it can be overclocked. AMD Turbo Core 3.0 is available. Its stock clock is 3.9GHz, and it can be overclocked to 4.2, which is very good. It's alright. It's decent for a gaming computer of this cost. And this isn't a must-have, but I suggest buying one if you're going to overclock the CPU, which I definitely am, because if you can overclock it, why not? But you're going to need to buy either a water cooling system or a water cooling compatible case that support water cooling. So it's got like mounts and all that on there for you. But because my case that I've got doesn't, I've got a different case that's in the basket. Don't worry about it. The one in the basket I think may support it. So what we're going to do is go for the Cooling Master Hyper T4 Intel and AMD socket heat pipe cooling fan. It's got 4 copper heat pipes, so it's good contact and it keeps it cooler. The reviews on this are brilliant. Keeps, as you can see, keeps my processor around 30°C, plus included good thermal paste. So it comes with decent thermal paste, because it's Cooling Master. It will come with a Cooling Master thermal compound. Yeah, hard drive. So what I've gone with is the Western Digital 1TB blue desktop drive, 3.5-inch SATA 3 hard drive. You can also, if you got a little bit more money, so if you wanted it to be around about, well, it will be about £500 gaming computer. If you wanted to add a 32GB solid state drive, I suggest doing that if you want your computer to boot on very fast. It will only be maybe 4 or 5 seconds quicker of booting on. It won't be any different. There won't be any difference in performance, or really. Just your Windows will boot up quicker if you install Windows on it, obviously. Yeah, that's a 1TB, which is a 1000GB hard drive. I don't suggest going any lower than 1TB because you're going to be using it for gaming, you're going to be having loads of games on there. The games can be up to 20-30GB, maybe even more. Also, very important, if you've got a little extra money, you can get a little bit better one. But this one will do perfect. The MSI R7 260X is overclocked from the factory, so it's been factory overclocked, so no one else has done it. It's not professional. It's been professionally overclocked because it's the X version, so it'll be better than the 260. And this one's a 260X and only £83. So yeah, that's a good graphics card to go for. Also, you can either go for Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Professional. Make sure you get a 64-bit operating system there. It has to be a 64-bit because gaming computer and it's got all these high spec stuff in it. So you don't want to go any lower than 60. You want to go to the highest 64-bit, it will run a lot smoother. So you can either go for the Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Professional is a little bit more. I think it's £102 or something for Windows 7 Home. No, Windows 7 Professional. And you can either go for Windows 8 or Windows 8 Professional, which are around about the same amount, I think. But if you go for Windows 7, it's got less bugs because Windows 8 not long ago came out. It came out quite a few months ago, but there's still bugs in it. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna go with the Windows 7 Home Premium. It's an operating system, it will work, and there's nothing bad about Windows 7. It's just that they made a new version. So yeah, Windows 7, and obviously you're going to need a case. You might not have to buy a case if you've already got a spare case somewhere laying about, or a case that's got a computer that doesn't work in it. Strip it out and use that case. What is the point in wasting £50 on a new case if you don't need it? This case comes with two fans included, one at the front and one at the rear. They're both 140mm, I think. Yep, in front there's one hydraulic bearing 140mm Silent Series R2 fan, and one exactly the same 140mm Series R2 fan at the rear as well. So it's a very good case. It looks very spacious. Got a lot of space in there. It looks quite neat and tidy. There's obviously the back. There's the front fan, as you can see, and the rear fan there. Both 140mm. They're both included. It makes it look quite nice with the white fan. It sets the case off a bit. Makes it look a bit nicer. So yeah. So that is for that case. And obviously, well, it's not obviously, but you want to get a disk drive. This is the top rated disk drive on this site. It's 9.4 out of 10. So I'll just go for this. £12 from Samsung 24 times speed, internal DVD writer with SATA. It's a SATA drive, obviously. And it's got high speed for DVR, for writing speed. DVR is 24. DVD dual add 16. DVD plus dual add 16. DVD rewrite 8, 6. And all the others I'm not going to go for them all because it's pointless. But yeah, that is everything you're going to need for a case. Because it comes with two fans, big fans in there. It'll be fine with, because you've got a fan on the CPU cooler. No, you've got a fan on your, you've got a fan on the CPU, aftermarket one, so it'll be, it'll run at a stable temperature when it's running full load in gaming. That's why I suggest buying. The reason I suggest buying a aftermarket cooling CPU cooler is because it's a AMD K. It's an AMD A series, but it's a K model of the series. So K, mine's with the K at the end. So 6600K. That stands. Look at the K on the end just to show that it's unlocked and it's overclocked, and it's very cheap. AMD are probably the best for gaming, I would say. People say they are, what is it, I can't remember. They say their CPUs and that they just drain the wattage of your power supply. It's a lot of rubbish. The reason they use so much is because they're so good, they need the power to run. And that power, if they get the whole power that they need, they'll run perfectly and smooth and they'll last for years. Yeah. If you wanted, you could pay the extra £17.36. That's £17.36 for all of these packages delivered, which is very cheap. You buy them separately, you'll be paying loads more. You buy these separately and you want next working day delivery, you'll be paying about £5 per item. So you're paying about 30, no, more than that. You could pay up to 50 quid for shipping charges. That's not even including the price of the item. You're better off saving your money and buying it all in one for £17.36 next working day, which is good. Or if you don't want to waste that money and you're not in a hurry to get it, just do within 5 working days. And the computer will only cost you £476.58, just round that to £475. So if you don't want to do it with delivery charges, just £475. You've got your gaming computer. Put it all in, perfect working computer, and it should be very fast. Actually, I think we've missed something, guys. Yes, we have. Components, desktop memory, that's what we're missing. And we want to go for DDR3 1866 MHz. We will go for G-Skill. Oh, sorry, this product is currently out of stock. Out of stock at the moment, guys, but it's very brilliant. You don't want to go with the Corps of Vengeance because they are very, very big. The RAM's thin, but it has massive bits coming out the top, as you can see here. They are very fat. If you want to get 8 gigabytes of RAM, you want to get two 4 gigabyte sticks that are dual channel, because one 8 gigabyte stick is worse than two 4 gigabyte sticks. So, yeah. So you wouldn't want to buy that. If you bought that, you would want to buy another one as well. It would be 124 quid. This video is going to get very long. I don't know. Yeah, that'll do. That'll be fine. 8GB, two 4GB sticks of RAM. They're not very big. It's just a white series. There's white, red, blue, and black, I think. Yeah, all of those like the same, it's just different colour. Because our CPU that we put in it supports 1866MHz RAM, and our motherboard does as well. Our motherboard supports up to 64GB RAM, and it supports it at like 2400MHz RAM as well, which is very expensive. So yeah, we use that, which is £63. My mistake, guys. The order is budget over £550 then, which is still very cheap for building your own computer. You see these computers that like Asus, that the computer that I'm on now, this is an Asus computer, £350 something, and it's rubbish. It's got 500GB hard drive, 4GB of RAM, it's on Windows 8, which is buggy at the moment. It's got a 1.5GHz CPU, which is rubbish. It's sell at 1.5GHz CPU. So it's not very good, but I'm getting out of the. I'm just going on to a load of crap now, so I'm just gonna finish it here, guys. If you like the video, like it, feel free to leave a comment and subscribe. This is my new channel, so yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace.